Have you ever dreamed of living in a new country while getting paid for it? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of countries that offer financial incentives to attract new residents. From cash bonuses to tax breaks, various nations are rolling out the red carpet for those willing to relocate. Imagine waking up to breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cultures, and the thrill of a fresh start, all while receiving financial support to make it happen. Countries like Portugal, Italy, and even some regions in Canada are offering enticing packages that can help cover your living expenses or even provide a steady income. These incentives not only aim to boost local economies, but also enrich communities with diverse talents and perspectives. In this video, we'll explore some of the most unique opportunities for relocation, highlighting the benefits and requirements of each program. Whether you're seeking adventure, a change of scenery, or a new career path, these countries are ready to welcome you with open arms and financial rewards. So stay tuned as we uncover the incredible possibilities that await you in these enticing destinations. Understanding the concept. When we talk about countries paying individuals to live there, we're referring to a range of financial incentives designed to attract new residents. These incentives can take various forms, including relocation grants, tax breaks, and even direct cash payments. For instance, some countries offer one-time bonuses to help cover moving costs, while others may provide ongoing financial support or reduced taxes for a set period. The motivations behind these programs are multifaceted. Many nations are looking to stimulate their economies by increasing population density in certain areas, particularly in regions facing demographic challenges or economic decline. By attracting new residents, they hope to boost local businesses, enhance cultural diversity, and create a more vibrant community. For individuals considering relocation, these incentives can be incredibly appealing. Not only do they alleviate the financial burden of moving, but they also provide a unique opportunity to experience life in a new country without the usual economic stress. Imagine starting fresh in a picturesque town or a bustling city, all while enjoying financial support that makes the transition smoother. This combination of adventure and financial relief makes relocating to these countries an enticing prospect for many. Countries offering financial incentives. Several countries around the world are actively offering financial incentives to attract new residents, each with its unique programs and benefits. Italy, for instance, has introduced a distant worker visa that allows remote workers to relocate to southern regions like Calabria and Sicily. Eligible applicants can receive tax breaks for up to 5 years, making it an attractive option for those seeking a slower pace of life in a culturally rich environment. Portugal is another standout, offering a golden visa program that grants residency to individuals who invest in real estate or create jobs in the country. This program not only provides a pathway to citizenship, but also allows residents to enjoy Portugal's stunning landscapes, delicious cuisine, and vibrant cities. Canada has various provincial nominee programs that offer financial incentives to skilled workers willing to settle in less populated areas. These programs often include relocation grants and support for job placement. The appeal of Canada lies in its high quality of life, diverse communities, and stunning natural beauty. Each of these countries presents a unique blend of financial support and lifestyle benefits, making them compelling options for anyone considering a new adventure abroad. Benefits of relocating. Moving to a country that pays you to live there comes with a multitude of advantages that can significantly enhance your life. First and foremost, the financial benefits are substantial. Many of these countries offer cost of living adjustments, which can help you save money while enjoying a higher standard of living. With relocation grants or tax breaks, you can ease the financial burden of moving and potentially increase your disposable income. Beyond the financial aspect, relocating opens the door to rich cultural experiences. Living in a new country allows you to immerse yourself in different traditions, cuisines, and languages, broadening your horizons and enriching your life. This cultural exposure can lead to a more fulfilling lifestyle as you engage with diverse communities and make lasting connections. Additionally, moving abroad often presents unique career opportunities. Many countries are eager to attract skilled workers, which can lead to job openings in various fields. This not only enhances your professional experience, but also fosters personal growth as you adapt to new environments and challenges. Overall, relocating to a country that offers financial incentives can be a transformative experience, combining economic benefits with lifestyle improvements and career advancements. Challenges to consider. While relocating to another country that offers financial incentives can be an exciting opportunity, it's essential to acknowledge the potential challenges that come with such a significant life change. One of the primary hurdles is navigating cultural differences. Adjusting to a new culture can take time, and new residents may experience a period of culture shock as they adapt to different social norms, languages, and customs. This adjustment period can be both rewarding and challenging, requiring patience and openness. Additionally, legal and bureaucratic hurdles can complicate the relocation process. Each country has its own immigration laws, residency requirements, and application procedures which can be overwhelming. From securing the right visa to understanding tax implications, it's crucial to be well informed about the legal aspects of your move. Failing to do so can lead to delays or even complications in your residency status. To mitigate these challenges, thorough research and preparation are key. Understanding the local culture, legal requirements, and available resources can make your transition smoother. Engaging with expat communities and seeking advice from those who have made similar moves can provide valuable insights. By being proactive and informed, you can navigate the challenges of relocating with greater confidence and ease. Success stories. Relocating to a new country for financial incentives can lead to transformative experiences, and many individuals have successfully navigated this journey. Take the story of Sarah, a digital nomad who moved to Portugal under the Golden Visa program. After investing in a small property, she not only received residency, but also found a vibrant community of fellow entrepreneurs. Sarah's life changed dramatically as she embraced the local culture, improved her work-life balance, and even expanded her business, tapping into new markets in Europe. Another inspiring example is Mark, who relocated to Italy through the distant worker visa. Initially drawn by the tax breaks, he discovered a passion for Italian cuisine and enrolled in cooking classes. This newfound interest led him to start a food blog that gained a significant following, allowing him to monetize his passion while living in a picturesque town. These success stories highlight the incredible opportunities that can arise from relocating for financial incentives. They serve as a reminder that with courage and determination, you too can create your own success story. Imagine the possibilities that await you in a new country, whether it's career advancement, personal growth, or simply a fresh start. Your adventure could be just around the corner. In today's exploration of countries that pay you to live there, we've uncovered a wealth of opportunities waiting for those ready to embrace a new adventure. From Italy's enticing tax breaks to Portugal's Golden Visa program and Canada's provincial incentives, these nations are actively seeking new residents to invigorate their communities. We've discussed the financial benefits, lifestyle improvements, and potential career opportunities that come with relocating, as well as the challenges you may face during the transition. As you consider your own relocation options, think about how these programs could align with your personal and professional goals. Whether you're seeking a change of scenery, a fresh start, or new career prospects, the world is full of possibilities just waiting for you to explore. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to engage with our content. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights on relocation and lifestyle opportunities. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and share it with friends who might be considering their own move abroad. Your journey could inspire others to take the leap and create their own success stories. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.